Hi, Dr. Rick Coker from Tyler, Texas. I want to talk a little bit today about sleep apnea and TMD, TMJ, and headache, and some of the things that are done for this. The newest thing right now that we have seen a lot of people get very good results from is when their sleep apnea has been diagnosed and they start wearing a sleep appliance, a dental sleep appliances. We're noticing not only does their apnea improve, but their headaches go away. So there's no question that apnea, lack of oxygen, will cause a headache, but also when we can put that jaw in a correct position, many people are much more comfortable. They quit having headaches. So that's been a revelation for us. Now, other people, we do different things for TMJ, but we're always thinking it's a muscle issue rather than a joint issue. We really discourage people from having surgery on the joints or anything like that because it hasn't proven to be very successful. But we do have real good success in treating the muscle, and sometimes we have success treating the bite because the bite influences how the muscles react. So one of the things, and there's another video on this site talking about how we treat the bite with something called a T-scan. So we make sure that the bite is even. We know that if the bite is uneven, if it's like a little bit like a pebble in your shoe, it affects the way you walk. Well, if your bite is uneven, if you're not hitting all the teeth at the same time, your muscles react to that and they get hyperfunction. And so what we try to do is get quiet muscles by having everything hit at once and comfortably. And that makes a big difference for a lot of people. So all these things, it gets pretty complicated to explain, but we can explain it to you. If you have an issue with your bite, if you have an issue with your headaches, give us a call, 903-581-1777. Thank you.